Alright, here we go. Dad Random here. This is the maiden flight of the Mavic 2 Pro. So the Mavic 2, this is the Mavic 2 Zoom, sorry, not the Pro, and Smart Controller. So here we go. Had a little compass issue that I had to fix, but it looks like we got it taken care of. Everything's good. It started next to my truck, so we didn't get a very good compass reading. So I'm going to go ahead and launch. Go ahead and just set it on my truck today. Looks like we're good, and we're going to go ahead and do the startup and take off. Here we go. So there we go. Now it's in. The drone's in frame. Obstacle avoidance is working. So do we see that? We got the drone right there in picture, in frame. So here we go. And we're going to go check out this real beautiful scenery today. It's just gorgeous out here. Let's go ahead and make sure we're taking some video. I do have an ND filter on. I believe it's an ND4 on there right now. So here we go. All right, 2.7K, 2.7K at 60 frames per second, so I'm not pushing the camera too much. And I'm flying over what's called T-Bone Hill. EV looks good, histogram looks good, so I should get really good video. I really like the sun at this time because it picks up the reflections off of each of those little mesas out in the distance right there on the left. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a pass by the T-bone. Do a little bit of a low pass there. Oh, look at that gorgeous video. Absolutely amazing. Just flawless, just gorgeous. And we can go fly up and over, and we get that scene on the way back of where I'm basically coming from right there. Isn't that gorgeous? Just absolutely gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna bring her down now. Coming forward in position mode, and now I'm going to fly back to the location that I'm at. All right, let's go back here. A little bit of reciprocal course, not quite, but what a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful area. The trails. Go ahead and doing a big circle, and I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna turn it back to the road, not quite into the sun right there. Just so you can see what I'm talking about when I'm talking about the the view that you get this way, and how unique it is. Drop the camera down. Look at the different layers you have. That just makes for just an amazing, amazing video. So go ahead and just bring it around, do a little smooth flight. So much different than the Mavic Mini, and I wish everybody could have the opportunity to fly a drone this nice. It's just there's just no comparison. So I'll come around and I'm going to fly down kind of to the area that I did my walk on. There it is right down there. There's that area that I did my walk. I don't want to get down too much further, so I'm staying inside of, there it is right there. If you go down to that area there, if you look straight down, right in the center of my frame right now, that area there is where it all went down. That's where I flew from. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to turn it around and come all the way back, following the road. Right there, there's the road. That's the area I'm filming right there. That's my walking area. That's where I had the wonderful, wonderful experience with my Mavic Mini. And I am going to come hustling back. Just a glorious flight. No comparison, guys. Just absolutely no comparison to flying a drone of this quality versus flying a toy. And this is just, you know, people question, you know, my flying ability. So I decided to get the big guns out. Battling with the big guns right here. There is the Mavic Pro, the MP2, right there, right in front of us, giving us a beautiful shot. Looking back at it, and let's see, 62% battery. I just flew about, I don't know, about 1.5 miles, maybe 2 miles. There you go, guys. Take some photographs of that area right out there. Go ahead and just bring her down. Yeah. Do a little retrieval. All right there, Mavic Pro, Mavic 2 Zoom. Mavic 2 Zoom and the Smart Controller. That's how easy drone flying can be, guys, right there. No hiccups, no nothing, absolute perfection. The best drone available, guys. There is no better drone in the market right now than the Mavic 2. The Mavic 2 Zoom, I think, is even better than the Mavic Pro, the Mavic 2 Pro. And you can see I've got the ND filter on. So amazing. Go ahead and shut her down. Absolutely kick a drone, guys. That's what it's about. That's what flying drones should be about right there. No bull crap. No, you know, no error messages. Just absolute perfect flying. A drone that basically does everything you ask it to do, taking perfect video, beautiful photographs, and that's what the GPS drone platform offers. So if you're wondering what you're missing, guys, that's what you're missing right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock her down because I'm gonna be putting the Mavic Mini on in a minute. So, and believe me, I'm not taking it out more than 1,000 feet. For Dad Random and his Mavic 2 Zoom, yes, yeah. And once again, the Smart Controller, saving my phone. Oh my gosh, guys, this thing is so amazing. I can't even tell you. Later and bye. All right, here we go. This is Dad Random. How you doing? Now, Mavic Mini, here we go. This is flight 2 today. And MMU calibration.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Hold on here. I'm going to do one thing different today. I am going to turn the drone off and turn it on. And I'm going to make sure that we get go ahead and shut the drone down. I'm going to make sure we don't get interference by the truck. Now, I got interference with the Mavic 2 because I was setting it on my truck. So here we go. Let's try something different. Let's go out here and start it up. Let's get it set up. Now, I did an MMU calibration. Every one of these props have been replaced. These are brand new props. I also did a compass calibration, and if you want me to, I'll do another compass calibration right this very second. Here we go. Let's double check here. We got, let's see. It says compass normal. Let's calibrate anyway. Let's start. So we'll go ahead and do a little calibration dance. Here we go. And we'll put it up like that. We'll give it a little twist. There we go. Calibration successful. Everything's normal. We've got a great picture. I'm going to go ahead and adjust the EV down a little bit. It says takeoff permitted. Let's go ahead and let's do a takeoff right here. There we go. Little hand takeoff right there. Using the app. I'm going to go ahead and take video. Looks like we got a nice stable bird. And let's go out and let's go see what she's got today. Nothing special. I have everything. Everything's configured pretty normal. Got my phone set up. No whiz-bang gizmos. So here we go. Let's check her out. We're in P mode. So we're going to go out and we're going to fly in P mode. And I'm not going to fly too far for sure. That's a guarantee. I'm not doing anything like I did when I had the other drone out, the Mavic Pro. We're not doing any Mavic Pro comparisons today. I'd like to do a little bit of maybe a little bit of photography. Maybe we can do a little comparison photography. I'm going to go up, make sure we're make sure we are in tune with the drone. So let's go on out there. Let's do a little bit of we're just going to do a really nice simple flight. We've got a fully charged battery, so we're in good shape there. And I'm just going to go around, do a little circle. But I'm not out quite 1,000 feet, so I'm going to stay close. I don't want any error messages, because if I do get an error message, I'm going to quickly turn around. I'm going to hover right there, and I'm going to take a couple of pictures right here. Take a couple of pictures right there, and then I'm going to turn it. See, there's the road right there. I'm going to turn around. Actually, I'm going to go forward, and I'm going to do a right-hand circle at about 1,000 feet. So then I'm not turning into the sun. So there we go. I'm going to keep the antennas down there. No error messages so far. No problems. Remember, I did full calibrations before we took this flight. I'm just turning. So here we go. I'm just going to go ahead and continue on my turning path and turn back to my current location. And we're going to bring her down. We're only at 120 feet. Shows you how much I trust it right now. RC signal lost. All right, in flight though. It says we're fine. Probably because we lost the. I'm thinking an antenna thing there for sure. So that's the only error message so far. A little bit breezy. Go ahead and I'm going to point it towards me. So she's holding. I'm going to go ahead and put these antennas up so I can point the camera this way so I can get the sun off me. There's my truck right down there. I'm going to go ahead and point the gimbal down a little bit as we pass over. There's my drone. Do a little bit of a circle there. Now remember, MMU calibration, new props, and a nice pre-flight compass calibration. All right, we're coming back. Used about, I'm at 79%. Battery seems like it's holding steady. I haven't gotten any battery warnings or anything like that. No ESC errors. Let's go over my spot here. So we're behind me. Then I'm going to fly that way. Got her opened up pretty good. And you'll see on the video what I'm doing. Coming straight back, pushing it a little bit. I'm dropping my altitude down. Opening it up a little bit, pushing it a little bit harder. Now this is in P mode, okay? This is no stinking sport mode. Okay. All right. Okay, now we're going to hit sport mode here. Let it basically find that sport mode, and let's see if we can get a high-speed pass over our head here. There we go. There's high speed turn. High speed. So far, so good today, huh? We got about 25 miles an hour right there. We're going to push it a little bit. Keeping her right where basically I'm at right here. All right, all right. All right, she's ready for the AMA circle now. All right, all right. I'm gonna bring her down to the AMA circle so those old guys can see it fly, huh? All right, here we go. We're gonna bring her in. Hey, nice flight. Nice flight. No pushing. Little flare out. There we go. Bring her in. There we go. Right there, guys. Mavic Mini right there. Not bad. That was fun. I'm pretty error-free. We'll check the flight log. But new props, MMU calibration. I did a compass, a pre-flight compass calibration, and that's it. That's what I've done so far. But I didn't push it out distance-wise. So, all right, let's go ahead and turn her around and drop her in my hand. Right, Mavic Mini, all right. I'm really happy today. I needed that flight. I really did. I needed that positive reinforcement. So, excellent. Hey, for Dad Random, like I said, I'm going to do a little bit of research here. I'm going to get on tomorrow. Well, it'll be Friday for you guys. Friday, the Valentine's Day, guys. Make sure you get the flowers. But Mavic Mini, Mavic Pro, good time. Short flight, and the Mavic Pro. It's a massively long flight. Awesome footage, guys. But go ahead and shut this puppy down. All right. Good job, Mavic Mini. Maybe the Mavic Mini, guys, is just that. It's a mini. Don't take it out 1.5 miles. Don't take it out 2 miles. This thing just can't handle it. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. But pretty error-free. Good job, little baby. Give it a little kiss right there, huh? All right. And for Dad Random and DJI products, okay, Mavic Mini, Mavic Pro, okay, give it a little bit of a break today. Give it some positive feedback. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And later. Bye-bye.